In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send files in Lark. Let's start right at the beginning. Open the Lark app on your phone or on your computer. Once you're in, head to the one-on-one chat or the group conversation where you want to share your file. This keeps everything organized and ensures the right people get what you're sending. Now look near the message box where you usually type. You'll see an attachment control. On mobile, it's commonly a plus sign or a paperclip icon. On desktop, it appears as a paperclip or a More button. Tap or click that attachment button to open your sharing options. You'll be presented with three clear choices: Files, Docs, and Image and Video. Think of these as shortcuts to the type of content you want to send. Choose Files when you want to upload something directly from your device, like a PDF, a spreadsheet, or a presentation. This opens your device's file picker so you can browse to the folder where the file lives. Select the one you need. Most file pickers allow selecting more than one if you're sending a set, and confirm. Choose Docs when you want to share a Lark doc. This is perfect if the document is already in Lark. You can pick a doc that's been shared in the chat or upload one you've created. It keeps collaboration seamless, since recipients can open it right inside Lark. Choose Image and Video for photos and clips. On your phone, this takes you straight to your gallery. On your computer, it opens your File Explorer so you can pick images or videos from any folder. Select the items you want to include. After you've made your selection, you're ready to send. On mobile, tap Send. On desktop, press Enter, or click the Send button. If your connection is stable and the file isn't too large, the upload should complete quickly. Larger files may take a moment. Just give it time to finish. Once sent, the file appears right in the chat thread. Everyone in that conversation can open it, preview it when supported, or download it to their device. For clarity, consider adding a short message alongside the file so people know what it is and why you're sharing it. Also, take a second to confirm you selected the correct file name before you send. This small check helps avoid confusion later, and that's all there is to it. Open Lark, go to your chat, tap the attachment button, choose Files, Docs, or Image and Video, select what you need, and send. Your file will appear in the conversation, ready for others to open or download.